And at this point, actually, Michelle, now I would pass the microphone to you. Thank you for your help previously.
Yes, here I am.
Hello. So
that was quite a segment, actually. That was like literally packed with information and great demos, and I'm like blown away by it. So that was really inspirational. Thanks, Joe.
Thank you, Michelle. Yeah, also, yeah, my thanks again to the projects presenting. They were really interesting. And now I will tune out and.
Okay. Joe,
bye-bye.
I will see you later at our shared location. So yeah, it was amazing. So we are really near the end of our event here. But of course, we still have to hear from what I would call, the most important people that made this project and what it is today. So I would love for Viktor, Gregor, Daifier, I'm trying to pronounce it correctly, and Daniel Nagy. I would love to see you guys if you're there, please. Anyone?
Hello.
Ah, here's Viktor already.
Hello.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try and switch my screen here so I can see you all. There you are. So I'll ask a question and I'll also state your name because otherwise it's gonna be like totally chaotic. To start off, Gregor, how are you feeling? And I love that T-shirt.
Thank you. I feel like the T-shirt. It's that's why the T-shirt is on. It's been an amazing journey, and today we launched a lot of stuff. I think we saw a lot of things, and it's I haven't processed it yet. I think it's going to come after me.
Yeah, I totally understand. I'll have the same thing. I'll probably need like a few days to even like realize everything that was presented and said, and I have this special thing. So Gasper, I hope you're ready, but can you share that picture that I wanted to show? So guys, especially like yeah, it's really hard, but in this picture, I'll first describe it. So this picture is DEFCON 0, Ethereum DEFCON 0, and if you look very closely, you will see Dani and Viktor at the left of the picture. So I just wanted to show this picture to you guys because I sort of feel like I missed this moment in Ethereum, but I'm so happy I can be in Swarm for this moment. Viktor, do you sort of feel the same vibe?
Yeah, it's pretty similar. It's very exciting. It's like, I mean, that was really the inception of everything. That from zero. It's hard to compare it to anything else. Really, that was a really very serious historic moment. But I would say that this is when the idea of Swarm really got born. Right? And just maybe I take the opportunity now to give credit to those people at Ethereum who made this possible and who were really the fathers of the idea. So Gavin Wood, who together with Vitalik and Jeff basically came up with this idea of the Holy Trinity, and so soon after the Ethereum was conceptualized, they realized that this can be used to underpin the new internet and then create like a world computer of sorts. And I would also credit some other people, in particular Alex Leverington, who was the author of the DEF peer-to-peer protocol there and has a lot of experience in this kind of peer-to-peer systems, and he was the one who contributed quite a bit of the initial networking ideas. I'm not saying that a lot of his ideas remained in Swarm, but he was definitely inspiring and contributed to the ideas. And of course, thanks goes to the entire Ethereum team who together with the foundation as well, who incubated and basically supported us throughout the years and supported the research that underlies the current product that we relaunching now. So huge thanks to them, to the foundation, and to Ethereum specifically.
Yeah, I think we all can share that sentiment, Viktor. I want to go to Dani now, because Dani, you are in that picture of DEFCON 0, I think it was called. How does it feel for you? Like maybe you should say, like, what do you do in this project?
So I'm mostly doing architecting and research. At DEFCON 0, I already made a presentation about how we envision Swarm. And well, actually, I would say that that particular presentation held up pretty well. So if you listen to it now, it's kind of sort of how it turned out to be, because it was not very rich on details. That was its saving grace. Yeah, it's been almost 7 years now, and I must say that in the beginning, nobody, not a single person, estimated correctly how difficult it would be. So nobody would have expected it to last this long. It should have been.
What was the sentiment back then? What did you say? Like, in this amount of time, we will have it.
2 years, 3 years, maybe. But
it's still a long time. It's still, I mean, I heard people predict like, oh, we'll scale Ethereum in like 3 months. So I mean.
Well, Ethereum, yes, but Swarm as a subsystem, it was already understood that it would take a year or two. But yeah, it turned out to be a lot more difficult than anybody could have imagined. So here we have an interplay of peer-to-peer networking, emergent behavior of self-interested actors, peculiarities of storage. Also, we got basically bumped head-on into the growing pains or scaling pains of Ethereum. So yeah, there were many unforeseen difficulties, and even the foreseen ones turned out to be much more demanding than we imagined. But here we are, launching 1.0 today. And well, hopefully things will work.
Yes, we all certainly hope that things will work.
At least to the extent that is reasonable to expect.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely, there's a lot of anticipation, because what we've seen in the market for the token is unbelievable. Like how people are snapping up buzz is just defies belief. Mm-hmm. Really.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
very exciting to me.
Yeah.
Also, I think what I would really like to see is people actually using Swarm. So I would like to see some dApps which don't need any backend infrastructure to have Swarm as either one of their hosting providers or maybe even their main hosting provider. It would be nice to see dApps live on Swarm, because that's the primary purpose. That's why that's the the raison d'etre, the reason for Swarm to exist, why it was envisioned back in 2014 to host dApps. And I'm really looking forward to seeing dApps dabble first and then full-heartedly migrate to Swarm in the coming months.
So Gregor, I know you are always looking forward in the future. You seldom look back or think about things that happen. So what are you thinking about now? Are you at least standing still for a second, realizing what an important moment this is, or are you already thinking about the future?
Well, of course, we have future plans, but if you like right now, I've been actually really thinking, watching all this, and it's you know, before you ask me how I feel, it's the whole journey has been amazing, and we didn't maybe mention the people aspect. You know, it's like the Swan team has grown like to about 40 people in a year, and going towards 1.0, it was like also really big bonding. It's we got to know each other. The vibe in the team, it's really buzzing. Doesn't matter, you know, if you listen to the dev guys or to the ops guys who try to figure out how to launch the token. It's like this passion, you know, I'm really grateful for that. It's like a humbling experience, and maybe in this regard, my biggest wish is that we continue like that. That as a team, we grow, we are become stronger, and that this blurriness, or however we call it, you know, spills over into the ecosystem, and yes, you know, that this one just grows and we
Yeah,
continue.
I think you can already see that. We watched all these demos, and there are so many people enthusiastic about what Swarm is and what we can achieve with it. So before you make me cry, Gregor, I'm going to go to Viktor, because he often makes me smile. Viktor, like this is going to be maybe like a really weird question, but for you this must be a very special moment. But like, what would you like to see like in the coming 3 months?
Honestly, holiday. In all seriousness, yeah, uptake of Swarm, and I would like to see people use it, and I would like to see people use it because it is useful and it's working. I truly believe that we achieved a very significant milestone with this release. Our development methodology and last minute changes might deter some people from evaluating the hiccups in kind of a different way. But I think we got something stable to show today, and I wish that those features that didn't make it to the 1.0 release maybe duly and like anticipated by the users, and I really hope that in the coming year we're going to realize a lot of the gems and real killer features that we advertised over the years, including the access control, the error coding and resilience and all kinds of other features. I really think that this is a really crucial moment, and a kind of new paradigm might start with this, which we can pave the way to proper decentralized internet and applications, which also not only kind of cautiously put as Dani would say, like the applications that have no backend component can respond, but in fact pave the way to infrastructure where some backend component can also run under Swarm in a kind of similar way to what's already been demonstrated by Gregor, for example, about communication. And these components, including database services, something will evolve and hopefully support much more sophisticated applications than just static site hosting, including maybe like things like Reddit, etc. So I'm really looking forward to the next period, and now I'm a bit agitated, I have to say. It's a really big moment for me, kind of a moment of truth, and also a big relief that finally we reached this stage. This is kind of our brainchild with Dani, and I think it's quite moving that to live this moment through, and it was long overdue. And maybe I also have this chance to thank the team and thank my friend Dani and Gregor to support throughout all these difficulties and persevere over the years against all austerities and all kinds of problems and problems with the perception of Swarm and also with the struggles in the financial department. So thank you very much for your support and big huge thanks goes to the team, all the new who contributed to this project and really all the credit goes to them when it comes to the product that's going to come out today. And yeah, thank you everyone, and thanks a lot for the community for their unrelenting support over the years, and thanks for your patience. And I hope it's going to pay off. Thanks.
Yeah, so now you're still making me cry, Viktor. So that's not fair. I mean, if I want to have tears, I'll go to Gregor. But anyway, just kidding. So Gregor, yeah, I would love to just. I think by now, I think everything has been said, no? Or do you have like thing up on your sleeve? Because sometimes
I was like thinking also in a way, really, as Viktor pointed out, the team really. I was thinking like who I could say like who were the rock stars, like who were standing out, and then I realized I would need to list the whole team.
Well, start by looking in the mirror, Gregor.
It's amazing. It's everybody in the team, and really, even outside of Swarm, it's like not just the team, also the support, especially in the past couple of months and years, also that we got, and the ecosystem and everybody. I'm just beyond grateful for everything at this moment, and yeah, I'm also about to cry.
Yeah, I really want to point this out. Gregor, and I think I can speak for the entire team. We want to thank you because you did an amazing job leading this team from a bunch of hackers basically to a well-oiled organization that actually achieves things and can deploy things and can go to production. And so this is you did an amazing job doing that, and I yes.
Thank you.
So,
but it's not a solo play. It's
no, I know, but this
yeah.
I think it was high time this was said in one of these live events, because we're all joking and playing around, but you're actually doing this amazing job. So thank you so much from the whole team. I think I can say.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're coming near the end. I think this is like a good note to end it. I just want to ask, these guys are like really special, I think, to us. Everybody who is giving support in Discord, can you please show your face? I mean, you don't have to show your face, or just do like we just want to look. There's like Philippe. Philippe is PhiloZoom in
exactly
in our PhiloZoom. Philo. We have who else do we have here? There we have L, definitely. Hey, from the US. I think. Yes, or from a VPN somewhere, I should say. We have Rox, who is also like quite active in the Discord. Guys, he did like an amazing job the last couple of weeks, giving support, helping people, run like test notes, and it was. I know it was a crazy job, but you guys did an amazing job. So thank you so much for helping us out. Great job.
Thank you too.
So anyone else on the call, please feel free to show your face. Come on, guys, the whole ecosystem is here, so we should celebrate that. Look at that. I can truly say that we're like totally international here. It's like all over the world, these people. And now that we have this like beautiful screen full of tiles with like this amazing talent, look at that, Linem Labs there. That's amazing. Hi, Linem Labs. So they're already drinking champagne in South Africa. We're gonna do that too, I hope, in Budapest. So guys, from Budapest this time, I wish you all a wonderful future Swarm and many, many more versions